Hey guys, want to make a quick video about how to get on Netflix from your PS5. It's really easy, but I'll go ahead and just go through the steps real fast. So we're at the home page right now. You might say you're in a game page. What you want to do is go ahead, push that, go down to home, and then you'll see this, like it'll give you like the games you have, whatever. And then now what we're going to do is go to the top where it says games and then media. Go to media, push X, then go down, and then you'll see there's a list of all these different channels like Prime Video, Disney, even YouTube, Peacock. And of course you have to pay money for this, but anyways, say you already have a Netflix account, then just go to Netflix, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna take a little bit of time to download. And then once you get into here, then it's just gonna ask you to sign up and then sign in and all that stuff. Anyways, just a quick video about getting into Netflix. Hope this helps you guys out. And if you like, if it does, please like or comment below. Oh, it says something, I encountered something. Anyways, sometimes you have to redo it. I think it's my Wi-Fi. Anyways, see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.